Today, I'm diving into a challenge to find out what makes pumpkins better than almost everything else we eat. Let's see if I can convince you. Pumpkins are often associated with Halloween, but there's more to them than just being a seasonal decoration or a pie filling. They're packed with benefits that make them superior to many other foods we commonly eat. Many of us think that foods like kale, quinoa, or salmon are the healthiest options, and while they do have their perks, we often overlook the humble pumpkin. It's commonly seen as just a side dish or a dessert ingredient, but its versatility and nutritional profile make it a strong contender for the top spot in our diets. Some might argue that it's too starchy, or not as trendy as other superfoods, but let's dig deeper. The perception that pumpkins are just for holidays or specific recipes is quite common. Pumpkins are actually rich in vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy vision, immune function, and digestion. The fiber in pumpkins can also help with blood sugar control and satiety, making it a great addition to a weight management diet. In terms of culinary versatility, pumpkins can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, from pies and bread to soups and stews. Their mild flavor makes them a great base for a variety of recipes. What really sets pumpkins apart is their low calorie count and high antioxidant properties. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin contains only about 50 calories, making it an incredibly low-calorie food that can be used in a variety of dishes without adding too much to your daily calorie intake. The antioxidants in pumpkins, such as beta-carotene, can help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline. Pumpkins also contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Their high water content makes them very filling, which can be beneficial for those trying to manage their weight. In summary, pumpkins deserve a place in everyone's diet due to their rich nutritional profile and versatility in cooking. They're not just for Halloween, they're a powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance our health in multiple ways. If you're convinced and want to get creative with pumpkins, share your favorite pumpkin recipes in the comments below. For more tips on healthy eating, check out our video on 10 superfoods to boost your energy levels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.